Oh, hey YouTube, George here. Hope you're well and happy. You might remember a couple of videos ago, I think it was Resurrecting a Trash Jackson or whatever it was called. Well, this is it now, and the decal has arrived. So it's on there now. I got it done in satin black. I don't like gloss decals, and yeah, she looks alright now. You know, she's not a minter by any stretch of the imagination, but it works perfect, and it tidied up a lot better than it was when it started here. So she's flying it now. Nothing going on today. It is very quiet. Probably some solar flares or something going on. Who knows? I don't track that information anymore. I used to once upon a time. Hear that? That's how good the noise blanker is on these. And it does actually do a little bit on sideband. You know, I have a pretty low noise floor here. I'm lucky enough with that. I do get this kind of bit of a racket that goes on around this time of the afternoon. I'm not 100% sure as to what it is. I have a sneaking suspicion it's that thing up there on the roof. Solar panel, inverter for that, I don't know. Some days it's worse than others. But look, it is what it is. Some lads have a nice floor of S9. You can see there the needle is nice and low. But yeah, we're happy enough other than that. Tidied up alright. I found my bench as well. It was buried under stuff. So all sorted. Yeah, nothing happening. This is a 6-bander, of course. They're not a bad radio, I like them. They're easy to work on as well, but this thing was absolutely battered to within an inch of its life before it came here. And it was not very well cared for at all. But we'll give it another lease of life now. And sure, knowing me, it'll just sit here and it won't get used anyway. That's my favourite up there, that thing. The orange 3900 special. I like these. You know, it's one of the early ones. People give these a bad rep, but this is before RCI got involved and you know, start churning out crap. Ooh, DDS more. Yeah, but might do a video on that at some point. But yeah, other than that, not a whole pile to say. Pretty quiet. Like I mentioned in a couple of the shorts, getting out here of late. I have not been out here in about 4 or 5 weeks, other than 20 minutes here and a half an hour there. And I came out here the other day, I had a couple hours and I spent that tidying the place up because it looked like someone threw a bloody grenade in. Especially down there, that end was very bad. But it's all sorted now. All nice and tidy. And hoovered up and all the rest. Your woman next door does be laughing at me there. They want the solar panel on her roof. She says I'm the only man she knows that hoovers his shed. But I told her there's probably lots more like me out there. Other than that, that's about the size of it. Hope you're all keeping well. And we will get you in the next one. Bye bye.